Gardening should always be fun and an enjoyable activity. Choose fuss-free and easy care plant for your summer and monsoon. Ribbon grass is one of them. On my last episode of Ribbon grass, I told you that some drops of rain shower will give much bloom of flowers on this plant. So here it is, friends. Isn't it beautiful? Ribbon grass is similar to spider plant, but do not confuse with the either. Ribbon grass belong to the family Poaceae, whereas spider plant belong to the Asparagaceae family. Both are from the different families. If you can, however, buy from the plant nursery or collect it from anywhere, the plant will spread extensively and cover your pot or make a ground cover. Use any kind of soil, whatever you have. You can use only sand mixed with garden soil and little compost. No need to add fertilizer, you can add later if there is no proper growth in your plant. मेरे पास बहुत सारे रिबन ग्रास प्लांट्स हैं। आज मैंने सोचा कि चलो अगर इन गमलों को ठीक करना है तो क्यों ना इन्हें दिखाया जाए कैसे इनका देखभाल कर रहे हैं और कैसे इनकी ड्राइड लीव्स हटाया जाए। All the plants are in plastic containers with very little amount of soil. You can use ceramic or terracotta pots also. All the dried leaves are found at the base of the plant that has happened due to aging. The ribbon grass plant has no other drawback other than drying of the leaf blades. If the plant has yellow leaves all over, then it's a problem. But do not worry if only at the plant base. Water your ribbon grass daily in any condition of weather. The plant loves too much of showering. If the city has high rise temperature with no rain, keep it under shade with bright light with 2 times daily watering. And a region with moderate temperature can keep it under half-day sun with proper watering. Somehow keep the plant hydrated always. So these are the dried leaves from all the plants. So I am done with my work. Will water all the plants now. Not very often you have to remove the dry leaves. Probably you have to remove them twice or 3 times a year. The best part of ribbon grass plant is you don't have to worry about root rot. You simply keep it under shade and shower the plant every day. As it is a wide spreading plant, there is no need of propagation. Only when your pot is root bound, separate the rhizome and make multiple pots. Hence you will have a number of pots from a single pot. It's a perennial plant which shows its best foliage during the monsoon. Apart from ribbon grass, want to tell you about gardening and plants. Growing plants depends upon several factors: weather condition of the city, the soil, the care maintenance, ground or pot growing, and lastly your effort and knowledge. In spite of having all these favorable factors, sometimes it happens that plants die, and for no cause, all of a sudden. After many methods, you cannot save your plant. For plant lovers, that seems to be a disaster. And let me tell you, I have some plants in my list that I have promised myself that I shall never bring it to my garden. One of them is impatiens and another one is gloxinia. However, friends, that is the negative part of gardening. Better not stay with it. Rather, we will move forward with other plants which will make everyone happy and glitter the garden. Okay, now look at the blades of the ribbon grass. They are amazing. I suppose it's too good and beautiful. The other good feature of ribbon grass is there occurs no pest attack to this plant. Sometimes ants may appear, that can be managed. Any agriculture shop will provide you the ant killing powder. Just put 1 spoon underneath the pot. The leaf blades fascinate me when I stare at them. The new blades are more fresh with distinct stripes. Friends, surely add this plant to your garden or balcony. It's the best choice for working people with no care. Just add water every day. That's all for today, friends. Hope the video will help you. To know more, just subscribe into my channel and click the bell button. If you have liked or disliked the video, put your honest comments. Bye bye. Happy gardening.